Yan, Kate at Yenza po.
Paano mo i-describe ang sarili mo?
I would describe myself po as jolly and generous po.
It's obvious.
It's obvious, oo. Kasi parang ang ganda nga ng personality mo.
Mami, mana ba sa'yo?
Hindi po.
Bakit?
Tsaka gusto ko yung sabi
Sa
niya,
daddy niya.
Are you ready to sing?
Yes po.
Okay.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more. Like when the time you whispered in my ear, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. But then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I prayed that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time was come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dreams you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till the heartache's end. Keep on dreaming till my heart aches.
Okay.
Yeah!
Yung showmanship nandoon. And siguro yun lang, yung mga ad-libs na hindi lang sigurado sa bawat pasok and kung paano mo siya tatapusin ng tama.
Napakaganda ng boses mo, actually. Pero minsan, less is more. Ibig sabihin, pag kinanta mo lang yung melody, tanggalin mo yung mga adlib-adlib, kantahin mo lang ng simple, tapos dun lang sa dulo ka maglagay ng konting-konting adlib. Yung yan na yan, magiging yun na yun. Yun na yun talaga.
Yan. Bago tayo kumanta ng isang awitin, lalo na kung very popular, kailangan nating araling mabuti yung kanta. Marami kang mga portion ng kanta na mali yung tono. Hindi siya flat, hindi siya sharp. Mali yung tono. Para pati maging komportable ka sa kinakanta mo, kailangan alam mo yung kanta. That way, you can ad-lib na nasa chords ka pa rin.
I agree, but at the same time, I kind of disagree. Like,
Okay.
I totally understand really practicing yung talagang pag-aral sa isang kanta that also doesn't just pay respect to the artist, but also to the song
To the
itself.
songwriter
But there's
pati.
nothing wrong as well with putting in your own decisions. Para sa akin lang, kailangan sigurado ka sa desisyon mo. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Medyo,
Konti.
opo.
Kasi ramdam ko yung kaba mo. Habang kumakanta ka. Kasi
Medyo kinakabahan po ako kasi this is my first time po sa TV talaga. Kaya,
Mag-hi ka!
mag-hi ka! Live tayo ngayon! Live tayo ngayon! Joke lang. Hindi tayo live. Kung maganda yung boses niya eh. And andun yung control, kailangan mo na lang ng tamang decision making kung habang kumakanta ka, saan ka pupunta? Pataas ba? Pababa? Saan ako pupunta? Saan ko ba dadalhin to?
For me, it's okay to make the song your own. But there's a difference between making the song your own and singing it properly and incorrectly. Feeling ko makakapag-desisyon ka ng tama if you know the song well. That's just my...
True. Ay, nagtugma tayo dun. Namukadkad.
Namukad ka.
So, halika, mag-vote na tayo.
Quality. Let's vote.
Para sa akin, it's a yes.
Yan. Thank you sa pagsali mo dito sa Idol Kids Philippines. Pero sa ngayon lang naman ako magno-no.
Yan. Gusto ko lang i-explain. The reason why I said that, na mali yung tono, is because I also want to encourage you. Having said that, I wanna see you again. I still wanna hear more from you. So I'll say yes.
Thank you po.
You have 2 yeses and 1 no. You need at least 3. So ang deciding factor natin ay si Mr. Gary V.
No pressure.
No pressure.
No, I am pressured talaga.
No pressure.
I really am.
Naku po.
No pressure, just pure energy.
I'll say yes.
Thank you po. Thank you po so much.
We are believing that you will do your homework. Okay? Study the songs. Take this with you. And we will see you in the next round.
Thank you so much. See you po. Ang ganda mo po, Tita Regina. I love you. Thank you po.
Oh my gosh.
Ano? Ano nangyari? Kinakabahan pa rin ako. Ay, naku, umiiyak siya.
Yun ang actually yung tanong namin sa loob. Ano nangyari?
I don't know. I think... Boom! I don't know what to say.
Isang golden ticket na naman ang naibigay ng Idol judges. And I'm sure, pumapalakpak ang daddy ni Yan Yan all the way from heaven.